How to recover Skype account. So if you want to recover your Skype account without your phone number, then what you need to do is first you need to just open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. After that, you need to just search for Skype. After searching, go with www.skype.com, and here you need to go with the top right, which has that sign in section, and you need to go with my account, and it will take you to the sign in page. Now you need to enter the email address and then go with next, and after that you need to go with your authenticator app. So if you don't have access to your authenticator app, then you need to go with I don't have access to my authenticator app. You need to go with other ways to sign in. And now you can choose your face, fingerprint, PIN, or your security key, or you can approve a request using your Microsoft app, or you can use your password. So you don't need your mobile number to recover. So you can go with approve a request using my Microsoft app, or use my password, or face, fingerprint, or your security key. So you just need simply select your security key. You can sign in with your passkey. So select your laptop or your mobile phone that you're using. Go with next. Turn on your Bluetooth and turn on your Bluetooth on your mobile device also, and it will connect your device, and the sign-in notification has been sent to the mobile device. You just need simply go and accept the invitation, and after that you'll be logged into your account. But if you don't have your device, then you can go with back and you can enter your password, or you can also go with the sign in option section, and you can sign in with your GitHub, or you can also go with forgot my username, and you can recover your username. So you can enter your email address and then go with next, and you need to enter the code that you received to your mail address. So you need to go with your Gmail, and here you'll receive the code. You just need simply copy the code from here, go back, paste it, go with next, and after that you'll be able to get your username. So you just need simply open up your authenticator app, and then you need to just tap on 22 on your device, and once you tap on 22 and once you tap on approve, then it will approve your sign in request on your device and you'll be signed into your account. So you need to go with stay signed in and go with yes, and that's it. It will sign into your Skype. That's how you can recover, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.